Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable DHCP guard on Hyper-V virtual machine. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable DHCP guard on Hyper-V virtual machine, go to your Hyper-V manager and keep the virtual machine turned off, and then right click on the virtual machine and click on settings, go to network adapter and expand it, click on advanced features, and here you will find an option DHCP guard. DHCP guard drops DHCP server messages from unauthorized virtual machines pretending to be DHCP servers. Here you will find an option to enable DHCP guard. Click on enable DHCP guard and then click on apply and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to enable DHCP guard on Hyper-V virtual machine. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.